architects and designers to create energy-efficient and cost-effective building designs. These are just a glimpse of what AI is capable of in the realm of architecture and design. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and awe-inspiring homes in the future.
Section 5. A Sustainable Symphony AI Orchestrating Eco-Friendly Living. Sustainability is no longer a buzzword, it's a necessity. AI is playing a pivotal role in creating eco-friendly homes. By analyzing factors like sun orientation, wind patterns, and local climate, AI can optimize a home's design to minimize energy consumption. Imagine a home that naturally heats itself in the winter and stays cool in the summer, all thanks to AI-powered design. AI can also determine the optimal placement of windows to maximize natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting. Furthermore, AI can integrate smart home technologies that further enhance sustainability. Imagine appliances that automatically adjust their energy consumption based on your usage patterns, or a smart irrigation system that waters your plants only when needed. AI is transforming homes into intelligent and eco-conscious living spaces.
Section 6. A glimpse into tomorrow, the transformative power of AI in architecture. The future of architecture and design is intertwined with AI. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated, they will be able to handle even more complex design challenges. We can expect to see AI-designed buildings that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly functional and adaptable. Imagine buildings that can respond to changing environmental conditions or adjust their layout based on the occupants' needs. AI can also help create more resilient structures that can withstand natural disasters. Moreover, AI has the potential to democratize design. With AI-powered tools, anyone can become a designer, bringing their dream homes to life. This opens up a world of possibilities, fostering creativity and innovation in architecture and design.
A world of personalized and sustainable living. Our homes will never be the same. AI creates intelligent, efficient, and sustainable living spaces. Affordable, personalized housing for everyone. Cities with stunning, eco-friendly buildings. A future where technology and design enhance our lives.